Okay. Now I will use the aluminum paper to hold the hair, but you need to flat it. Otherwise, you can't bleach it solidly. You need to flat the hair. So, so I leave some hair out of the aluminum paper, and we can compare the color from this big part with this small part, which is not covered. So, just like I told you, I will try to make it a little bit brown on this hairline here. This knot I will, but slightly. You need to control it well. Don't put too much. You need to calculate the time slightly. If you put too much at one time or put too long time, you will damage the lace. But one thing I want to tell you guys that I'm a professional hair seller. Normally, I don't spend too much time on bleaching the hair. I just communicate with customers. I communicate with customers around the world. But doing this part is the job from the workers. Just try to, you can see I don't put it down too much, just here to make it. At least I will try to put it more on the knot here. Like this. I can see some strength of the knot is changing now to brown. Yes, it's starting to change now. But this is this one is not professional glove for me to use to bleach the hair. It's starting to change now. Next time I will do a better video with a professional glove. But you can see I just spent few minutes and already make the hair color change. Sometimes it will be big problem if the ladies put too much bleach on this hairline and put it too long time. It will damage the hair, and they will think, oh, the hair is threading or the lace is broken. Because you see, I am doing it carefully, slowly, little by little. You can, it's starting to change now. I'm not sure if you can see the knots color change from the video or not. See some. Changing. A lot of ladies ask me to bleach their hair for them. I say I don't have time. Really don't have time. Every day very busy replying customers' messages and need to check the hair quality before shipping. And bleaching time, bleaching the hair takes time. So we rather ask the our factory workers to do it. You see, I'm spending time some to make this. Okay. One more time, I'm going to tell you that I'm not very professional doing this part. This is not my everyday job, but I know how to do it. I know how to do it. I did it before beautifully. I just become very busy replying customers' messages every day, so you can expect me to do this part for you. It's changing. Okay. Some few strands of the hair can be bleached solidly because this way it's just the first time. So you need to do it second time to make the rest of the strands of hair to be brown. But now it's changing now. Good. I love it. Good. You can see this part is changing to brown color now. I didn't cover this hair, but it's already changed to brown color. You see? Let me put more. Next time I will use a better glove. This one is I'm sure you can see the knot now. Yes. So I show you. You go to another side. Normally you need to scrape another side like this, but I already put it on the head. There's not enough space for me to do like this. You see the knots, some change to brown now. I will like this. Some ladies, don't be so mean to me. If you see me doing this and you think it's not that excellent, we can communicate. One more time saying, this is not my everyday job. My everyday job is communicate with customers. Today I'm doing this just for fun and to show some friends, my friends on YouTube, so they can communicate with me. Hey, Hyman, let's do this in a better way. Okay, Hyman, okay. I see now you're doing it's better now.
Something.